did fine when we were dancing.
Yeah.
And she could feel when the song was coming in. She knew how to kind of glide into it.
You have to just believe it, and then you'll be good.
She's fine. I mean,
yeah. I'm not nervous on this one. There's only like 8 people.
you broke yourself into it, so.
Yeah. I would be too nervous to dance with Matthew.
Well, like, yeah. I love that song that say, Matt, slow down. There you go.
Kate's learning how to be molasses.
No, they're definitely done one thing.